Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS news for Friday, May 12. The sugar industry is to get technical assistance through a $37.8 million program funded by the European Union, the EU. An agreement formalizing the consultancy program was signed on Wednesday. It facilitates the development of a comprehensive financial and economic model for the sugar industry. This will be piloted as part of the EU's wider 2013 Sugar Accompanying Measures funding support to Jamaica, totaling $4.18 billion.
The support we have received in the sugar industry to improve on housing, social amenities, in part resuscitation of some of the fields, road and other infrastructure, training, especially in the area of technical skills. Very, very helpful.
Over the next 4 months, a team of international experts will develop an economic and financial model that facilitates ongoing research and serves as a source of data for policymakers.
The team of international experts sitting here in front of us today will collaborate with the Jamaican stakeholders to advance in the implementation of the Jamaica Country Strategy for the Adaptation of the Sugar Industry 2006 to 2020, and in particular with the development of a sustainable sugar cane sector.
Their work will also include exploring the opportunities for ethanol production and the creation of a sugarcane payment formula for industry stakeholders. In other agriculture news, the Portfolio Minister says several strategies are being implemented to prevent and reduce pradial larceny.
These include strengthening the legislative and policy framework, as well as collaborating with other entities, especially our partners in the criminal justice system, to implement special programs.
He says the ministry's interventions will also be supported by 3 full-time officers of the Jamaica Constabulary Force.
We are going to be also implementing the pradial larceny victims and witness care unit.
This unit, he says, will allow victims or witnesses to obtain information regarding the progress of their cases during the investigative and court stages. Police officers are now able to more accurately identify perpetrators of crime through the DNA registry that is up and running. The use of the DNA science will enable the police to rely less on fingerprinting to guarantee a positive identification. National Security Minister Robert Montego gave the update while addressing the Police Federation conference recently. He said government's investment in the Institute of Forensic Sciences and Legal Medicine is to boost the police force's capacity to investigate crimes. The minister added that more equipment and pathologists would be available in the all-out assault against crime, particularly to facilitate a faster turnaround of autopsies.
Our strategy is working. Secure our borders, use technology to get more and more information from the weapons that we pick up. These advancements are allowing us to prepare better cases and enhancing our intelligence gathering.
Minister Montego also revealed that the security force's crime-fighting arsenal would be getting another significant boost with the purchase of an additional aircraft, adding to the aircraft and 2 ships that were recently acquired. The Road Safety Unit is reporting an increase in the usage of the motor vehicle black box, particularly by insurance companies and the police, to determine the causes of traffic crashes. Just last week, the Jamaica Constabulary Force received its 2nd black box data retrieval kit, which is required to analyze the information stored on the device. Director of the Road Safety Unit, Canute Hare, says the black boxes are in motor vehicles and hold critical pieces of information for road safety.
Everything that you do in that vehicle is recorded.
It's recorded?
Yes. Just like how you have a black box in a plane, you have a black box in a car.
In a car.
Once the vehicle is equipped with an airbag control module.
Oh,
right?
that.
So once the vehicle has an airbag, you have a black box. Once you press the gas pedal, yes. Once you press the brake pedal, if you're hard braking, or you're soft braking, or you're hurried braking, or you're braking aggressively, it's being recorded.
5 crash data retrieval kits are in the country. The Road Safety Unit has 1, while the police and the Island Traffic Authority have 2 each. And finally, there has been a 24% increase in the number of tickets issued by the police for traffic violations since the start of the year. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says that up to May 5, 184,566 tickets were issued. As part of the police's active enforcement of the Road Traffic Act, 313 motorcycles have also been seized. The Prime Minister revealed the figures at this Wednesday's launch of the 4th UN Global Road Safety Week at Jamaica House. He said government was doing everything in its remit and resources to tackle the issues, including building roads with increased safety features, introducing camera systems for ticketing and tracking the speed of motor vehicles, and revising the Road Traffic Act. The Prime Minister also pledged to ratify various international conventions to deal with road crashes.
We are committing to use all the resources at our disposal to ensure that we reduce by 50% by 2020 road crashes in Jamaica.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.